So you may have seen in a previous video when I made the little dust extraction port for my bandsaw out of an old router extraction port. I'll put a link up as a card for that. So when I did that video, the plan was always to have a dedicated small shop vac extractor fitted to my my bandsaw, because let's face it, it's 2020, I'm lazy, and who's got time to walk the 4 feet across the workshop to the existing shop vac? To get rid of all the rubbish, and for this I'm going to be fitting the Trend T35 dust extractor. There is a link for a video of that as well in the card that you can see now. So it definitely fits. Need to put some little things in for the feet, so it's not going to kind of wobble around. Run the cables, run the hose, shorten the hose, and we should be good. So here I'm just using a square just to transfer marks where the dust extractor port is onto the tabletop, and then I use a pair of compasses just to mark all those points, join them all up, and find the centre of that circle. So all I've done here is mark just the outline of where my hole is going to be. Now I'm going to take a 12mm Forstner bit, and I'm going to drill all the way through and create a hole on the inside of what will become the main hole. That just creates a nice little hole for all the sawdust just to fall away. Here's the kerf, and it makes it so much quicker to cut that hole.